Hi, I'm Melanie Walker. I'm the president and CEO of Tsuchiya Group North America and TASUS Corporation. Welcome to our plant.
TASUS is located in Bloomington, Indiana. It's a city known for its landscapes, architecture, and vibrant nightlife. It's also home to Indiana University, and TASUS sits right next to Ivy Tech, putting education at your doorstep. There are several different departments at TASUS, giving you multiple opportunities to start your career.
I'm an automation tech. I am responsible for all programming or building end of arms that hang on the robots to grab the product out of the molds and set it on the conveyor belts. Programming a robot to do specifics or communication, messing with cameras, that would be mainly my responsibility. I went to Vincennes University and got an associate's in robotics. Then I came here as a maintenance tech, and I worked as a maintenance tech for 2 years, and now they promoted me to automation. To be able to see different aspects before they happen, see what possible problems might arise, is some of the skills you might need to succeed at this job. Using my creativity, I will come up with the best way, in my opinion, of building an end of arm to grab the product out, and that's probably my favorite part, is just coming up with my own ideas and making the job my own.
I am a TPS Environmental Health and Safety Coordinator here at TASUS. So part of my job responsibilities is the safety of everybody here. I like to take a nice little lap out on the plant floor and talk to the people. I was hired in as a temporary operator, moved up to lead tech, which is kind of changing molds and being a setup guy. I got into supervision, then I went into the warehouse, pulled orders back there, and I got into supervision back in the warehouse. From there I got in this role here. A lot of the skills needed would be computer skills, working with Excel. I also do a lot of presentations, so I use PowerPoint quite a bit. Favorite thing about the culture here is the people. With PPS, the Toyota Production System, it's kind of like a house. You got two pillars. One's continuous improvement and one's respect for people. Getting with them, it's really magical just to kind of see how they grow and start off with not even recognizing the problem to being part of the problem-solving team.
Working in human resources, day to day varies, but mainly creating a great relationship with all employees. Every day I'm getting questions about our benefit packages, employee time, working with marketing and several other departments. We visit multiple job fairs throughout the year. Staffing, very important. Any help we need, making sure that I'm making calls and getting people in here for interviews. Also in charge of onboarding when we have new hires coming on. Essentially, I started as an entry-level operator and then worked my way up into customer service. I worked there for about 2 years. Now I've been in human resources for about 2 years. Yeah, skills needed in HR, definitely communication is huge. Being personable, also responsible and highly organized. The favorite thing about the job is, number one, the variation, and then number two, the people. Going out to the plant floor and talking to all different types of personalities. It's great to get to know the people.
As the quality manager, my job responsibilities are primarily to keep the department running. I have a couple of quality engineers that work underneath me, so I step in if there's an additional call that needs to be made, contact needs to be made with the customer, decisions that they're not sure about. I also manage the hourly employees, make sure that we have coverage for all the shifts as needed. I came to TASUS almost 7 years ago now. Someone I'd worked with contacted me about the open position here for quality engineer, and I was very impressed with the culture and the way they took care of their people. Got the job, and here I am, and 7 years later I'm moved up within the company as well. My favorite thing about my job would probably be that there's never a dull moment or a boring day. There's always something going on, good or bad. There's really not a lot of time to get into a rut or a routine. When I'm looking to hire a quality engineer, I want someone who can make decisions, who has a good understanding of the company and what our goals are for the group, and wants to work together with the others. They're kind of a leader, so strong communication skills are a definite must. With a quality tech or some of our other individuals, I want to see someone who, again, can take initiative, make decisions, who understands what we're trying to do, and they're able to also be a leader, because a lot of times those individuals are called on to set an example for our operators.
TASUS offers a range of benefits such as first-time home buyers assistance and tuition assistance.
TASUS has helped me with my first home and all my tuition so far for my bachelor's degree.
There's a lot of opportunities here. One of the first ones I took was the first-time home buyers, so that helped me get my first house up here in Bloomington. The tuition assistance as well. I've not got my degree, but I've taken several classes.
You know, I went to school for 4 years while working here and essentially came out of school debt-free.
A little advice for students if you're looking at getting into manufacturing. Do the best you can to get as many computer skills as you can. Do know that there's a lot of opportunities in manufacturing.
I would say go to school and learn as much as you can first, and then once you get your 2-year degree, I would say go into the field and get experience and then continue on for your bachelor's degree at the same time.
Don't underestimate a career in manufacturing. There's several opportunities. It's not just looking at parts, inspecting. There's several different departments, whether in the technical or on the business side.
There's always a lot of opportunity. Manufacturing tends to move people around to fill a need, promote from within. So there's always an opportunity to learn something new and do something new.
I've been on my internship with TASUS for just about a year at this point. I found out about Hoosier Hills through my counselor, junior year of high school. It's been a fascinating company to work for. I've learned so much from robotic programming to CNC milling. The thing I like most about interning at TASUS is the ability to do different things every day. Monday you can come in and program a robot. Tuesday you can go out in the field and work on a tape machine. It's been incredible to meet so many amazing people who care about the same things I do.
What I love about the culture is the family atmosphere, and also the TPS culture where everyone has a voice. Everybody's ideas are important, and the continuous improvement aspect makes TASUS a great place to work.
They take care of their people. That's one of the things that's impressed me the most since being here. Not only do they take care of their employees, they take care of the community around us. I'm always impressed every year with the number of Thanksgiving baskets that we put together, the amount of events we host for employees. It's definitely a selling point.
I heard about this place through a friend of mine and heard it was a small, family-oriented type of business, and I figured it'd be a good place to get my foot in the door on ground level, and I knew I'd have a future and be able to grow here.
To learn more about TASUS, please visit our website at www.tasus.com.